for the time being, we have our tech expert with us as well. Reema is here. Reema, tell us, there's an interesting note that's coming from Citi, I think.
So one sector that Harish didn't speak about was, technology.
Because he's going to speak about it now.
We're going to ask him. But, there was this one note by Citi, which I found interesting, right? We keep saying that IT is struggling because of the global macro. And typically, there was a very strong linkage between how IT companies would do and the S&P 500 companies' earnings. But this time, that link seems to be broken, to which Citi says that it's largely because S&P's earnings are driven by the Magnificent Seven. If you strip that out, the earnings have been, the earnings of the rest of the pack have been a bit struggling. The next question they ask is that, is IT spending, is tech spending really weak? Citi says not entirely. Banks' spending, proxy data shows a 7% year-on-year growth. Hyperscalers, that's your AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, etc., have seen a 27% year-on-year growth in the last quarter. So in a nutshell, it's not that global IT spend is collapsing, it's just not finding its way towards Indian IT. So the question is, why is Indian IT then sluggish? Why is money not coming to Indian tech? Well, client budgets are prioritizing AI, but services firms are yet to see a big revenue from AI. The new AI work is still very small. There are productivity pressures on account of AI, so clients are asking you to do more with less money. There is that deflation, and GCCs are also taking away some part of the pie, so which is why there is global tech spend, but it's just not coming to Indian IT. And particularly for Indian IT, from a stock market point of view, revenue growth is likely to be subdued for the third consecutive year. Margins, therefore, are under pressure. There's rising, competition from GCCs, AI productivity. They need to invest more. On valuation, Citi says the Nifty IT index has underperformed the Nifty by 24% year to date. But from here on, to grow, you still need clarity on growth coming back, and that is not visible yet, which is why Citi is a bit cautious. So some, interesting, ways to think about the global macro, the global tech spend, and why Indian IT is not yet seeing that growth. Harish, come in on tech and in India, and even the large cap versus mid caps, because while large caps is struggling, some of these mid cap companies are seeing growth, and there is a lot of optimism that the small cap companies in tech, which are very agile, they can actually become the mid cap companies in the next 5 years. So therefore, they're the ones to bet on.